I'm Darlicia, and welcome to Darlicia's Kitchen. Let's start cooking. What's up, good people? I'm starting off with garlic, and then I'm going to pour in some honey. And then in goes soy sauce. Ketchup. Sweet chili sauce. Oregano. And then stir well until combined. I don't even think y'all understand how good this honey garlic marinade is. I'm getting ready to put this marinade on top of pork chops. Bacon wrapped pork chops, that is. Marinade also goes well on grilled chicken breast. Alright, so I have 3 strips of bacon and boneless, thick cut pork chops. As you can see, I'm pouring some of the marinade on top of the pork chops. And then I'm just going to rub the marinade into the pork chops just to get it in there really well. Then I took each strip of bacon and wrapped it around each pork chop. And then I just flipped each pork chop over so the excess marinade can get on the bacon strips too. And so then I put them in a bowl and I poured all the excess marinade that was on the cutting board onto the pork chops in the bowl. And y'all, we're gonna put these pork chops on the grill. Then I covered with foil and placed in the refrigerator, and I let them marinate for about an hour. And this is about how much marinade I had left. I used this marinade to brush onto the pork chops as I'm grilling. And then they go onto the grill. And my husband prepared the grill for me, and he is now placing the pork chops on the grill. And they are going to cook until the marinade has caramelized. And have fun, y'all. Brush on as much of the marinade as you like. It's so good, y'all. And this is what they look like when they're done. I served my honey garlic bacon wrapped pork chops with grilled corn on the cob and cucumber salad. Check out Darlicia's Kitchen and Garden on Facebook for full recipes. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And as always, thanks for watching.